case.
Just need to get out in front again and stay there.
Yeah.
Drivers, watch your cars.
Oh, obviously.
Right over the back of the car.
Yeah.
No.
God damn it, straight on the wheel.
Nice driving, Jeff.
Oh.
Ah, nice work.
I just cut off in front of you.
Current positions. First, Jeff Kubler.
Oh,
Second, Daniel Hicks. Third, Bo Stroud. Fourth, Jason Thorne.
Jason's sticking.
Oh, come on.
Leading gaps. First to second, 1.785 seconds. Second to third, 1.065 seconds.
cheers, Em.
Drivers, time remaining, 4 minutes. Current positions. First, Jeff Kubler. Second, Bo Stroud.
Thanks, mate.
Third, Daniel Hicks. Fourth, Jason Thorne.
Come on. Go smooth in too.
Leading gaps. First to second, 2.785 seconds. Second to third, 5.503 seconds.
Oh, come on. Stop on it.
Drivers, time remaining, 3 minutes.
You fucking
Current positions. First, Bo Stroud. Second, Jeff Kubler. Third, Daniel Hicks. Fourth, Jason Thorne. Drivers, time remaining, 2 minutes. Leading gaps, first to second, 1.983 seconds. Second to third, 6.306 seconds.
Jeff, you feel like the double jump's getting a bit harder to get over?
Yeah, I've struggled a little bit tonight.
Yeah, I'm
Drivers, time remaining, 1 minute.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, Dean.
Oh my god! Think about what you're doing, mate. Yep.
Race time over, finish your laps.
Oh. Yes,
Five. Finish.
Get him, Jeff.
4.
yeah,
Just
knocked me off.
Finish.
Oh, really? 30.
Oh, I don't know. It was Robin Grayson.
Robin Grayson, no spinning.
Did win? Yeah.
He counted back end into the.
That was getting back for the spin last week, though.
Alright, that's fair. That's fair.
2.
I'll take it.
Finish. 6. All drivers finished. Thank you, Marshall. Finish.
At the OJ.
Results of this race. 1/10 short forward.
Oh,
First, Jeff Kubler.
that was good.
Second, Bo Stroud.
Well done, boys.
Third,
Looks like a good
Daniel
race,
Hicks.
son.
Jason Thorne. 8 minutes to the next race.
Back on that last one.
Marshals for the next race. Jeff Kubler. Bo Stroud. Daniel Hicks. Jason